I'm cooking paella at the garden today, which I'm enhancing with shrimp stock that I made myself from discarded shrimp heads. Whatever you're cooking, may it be pancit or chop suey or any seafood dish, you can enhance it by adding a DIY shrimp stock. Join me for some learning, entertainment, and fun here on Channel Juan. You're watching Channel Juan Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook, and share. Let's join Romelo at the garden. Greetings from the garden. I'm about to prepare here paella. And to enrich the flavor further, I have prepared a stock which I made from shrimp heads. So don't throw away your shrimp heads. Make a stock which you can use in enriching your noodles, or for my case today, paella. Here are the steps. If you're using raw shrimp heads, just boil them in water. But for my case, I already have them pre-cooked, so I'm just pounding them like this. And add hot water, boiling water. If you're wondering what type of shrimp are these are shrimps from Greece. And pound further. Lightly pound. That is to get all the goodness, the flavor. And then strain. And voila, you have shrimp stock or shrimp broth ready for your seafood recipe. Chop suey, pancit, or anything you want to enhance the flavor. With shrimp flavor, of course. I made this, I think, a month ago, and I just froze it. And you can do the same, you can just freeze it. And you can keep it for indefinite period of time, ideally, or theoretically. So that's it. That's how to make stock from the shrimp heads. It doesn't have to be shrimps, prawn, or even alamang. I don't know if alamang. No, just shrimps and prawns, I think. Something learned today here on Channel Juan. And see you on the next videos. One of them would be black paella or paella negra or arroz.